What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are on day 5 of this project, and so far things have gone really smooth. Day 1 through 4 we managed to get the first floor built, the floor system, the second story, and now we're onto the roof. Day 5, I would like to see this roof dang near wrapped up as close as possible. Now if we can get all of our rafters in, get all of our tails cut, we can be prepped for fascia and sheathing, and that'll only take us about a half day to do. As always, if you guys are new here, hit that red subscribe button down below, turn on the little bell right next to it, that way you guys get notified in your feed. You can keep up with everything we've got going.
So just push it. You can push it and nail angled and smack it over and get it plumb.
I'll put one more on the back. Alright. Oh, nail it. Hold up. On you go. To you, there we go. Works out beautiful. I'm friggin' money. How you looking there?
I like it.
Perfect. Perfect. Out of nails on the last rafter. Typical. So we have to get all these rafters from behind that pile of sheets over to here, up there, onto the roof, and then up onto the roof there. We don't have a laborer today either, it's just the 3 of us. My pops just took off to go look at a reach lift as well. Hopefully all goes well with that. I'll keep you guys posted. For now though, me and Fox are gonna keep on trucking. Look at the clouds, man. The freaking sky's so beautiful right now. My camera has overheated 4 times today. Does not want to run. This damn weather is ridiculous. So here's what we got going. Stacking them up in a nice pile. We'll take our pattern for this section here, throw it, whoop, right on top, scribe it out, cut them, whoop, throw them up. So we got this whole section rolled out here. Rolled out all this morning. We're gonna take lunch right now. It's about noon. Steady cruising, just 3 of us. My pops took off around 10 o'clock to go check out a reach lift. We actually just bought it as well. I'll have more up on that later. I've got that section here to cut and stack out. Super simple roof. It's gonna be a good day. Overall update though, where's this saw at? I have used the skill saw cordless now for 4.5 hours straight, and so far it's done well. Haven't made a whole heck of a lot of cuts with it. We're at 3 bars, but it's doing well. Tough little saw. We're gonna beat the living heck out of it, see how she holds up. Got it.
Going on my square.
All of our rafters are up. Getting some blocking material up there right now. For a short day, and for only having 2 of us here for the most part, we did good. Got it? That's me. I'm like f***ing perfect. Our day is almost over. As I mentioned earlier, we bought a reach lift, so we're actually taking off a little bit earlier than normal. Cutting the last of our blocks. Getting those prepped for tomorrow morning. Not bad though. Cut all of our rafters today. Got all of them tossed up. Blocked out this exterior here. Blocked out this section right up here. Cutting blocks for the front section. Not bad, not bad. 2 guys most of the day. My dad hopped on a little bit later in the day and helped out. So we did good. So we're on day 5 right now, and we actually pulled a couple guys off of this build. We're gonna finish it up with just the 3 of us. 4 when Quentin can be here, which is only Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Friday. So I'm still estimating we'll be done around day 7, but we will see. Now there was a problem when material was ordered. We didn't do takeoff on this project, but material was ordered 2x12 fascia. We have 2x12 rafters. Now we have to have our fascia hang down lower than our rafters to where when we go to do our lid butts into the fascia and comes out nice and clean. Overall though, project is moving along pretty nicely. We're about where we expected to be. The game plan is still to be done on day 7. To give you guys an idea, day 6, our plan is to have all of our fascia ran around this whole entire thing. Fascia gets here tomorrow morning. Sheet this whole entire thing out. Day 7, we're gonna hop over to the deck, finish out the deck, the little cantilevered system out. The stairs aren't getting built until after this house is sided, so we don't have to worry about that. On day 7, when we are doing our deck out front here, someone's gonna go through and stud straight and shim and shave, make sure this place is perfect for drywall. That is all we have time for today though, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up, drop a comment down below, say what's up, hit that big old red subscribe button. We are over 21,000, cannot be happier. Until next time guys, bang on.